हेलो फ्रेंड, माय नेम इज़ निशा एंड स्वागत है आपका साई ज्ञान सागर में। हम कर रहे हैं जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चन जो कि हमारे डीएससी में आए हुए हैं। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द इंडियाज़ रैंक इन परसेंटेज ऑफ CO2 एमिशन ग्लोबली एज पर द स्टडी ऑफ ग्लोबल कार्बन प्रोजेक्ट इन द ईयर 2017। तो 4th नंबर पर है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग रीजन आर द पाला डायनेस्टी was based in India, Bengal? In which one of the following region the Pala dynasty was based in India, Bengal? The government of India had appointed Pucci Commission in 2007 to review for make recommendation of. The government of India has appointed Pucci Commission in 2007 to review and make the recommendation of center-state relation. Which of the greenhouse gas is the most abundant among all the greenhouse gases in the atmosphere of Earth? Water vapor. How many languages are recognized by the Constitution of India? 22. Who is the President Chief Economic Advisor of the Government of India? Who is the present Chief Economic Advisor of Government of India? Krishnamurthy Subramaniam. The Article 25 to 28. The Article 25 to 28 Indian Constitution is associated which of the right to the freedom of religion. Who among the following was not a member of Indian cricket team which is 2019 ICC Cricket World Cup? Manish Pandey. The term Boston Red Sox is associated which of the sport? The term Boston Red Sox baseball. Which animated movie won Oscar award in the category of Best Animation? Oscar 2018 Coco. The thickness of the ozone layer is expressed in the term of Dobson. The thickness of the ozone layer is expressed in term of Dobson. During the reign of the Viceroy, the Indian National Congress was found in Lord Dufferin. During the reign of which of the Viceroy, the Indian National Congress was founded in Lord Dufferin? Which one of the following is not a category to bill is passed in Parliament? Judicial bill. Which country has won the highest number of medals at 2010 Commonwealth Game in New Delhi? Which country has won the highest number of medals at 2010 Commonwealth Game held in New Delhi, Australia? Which Maurya empire is known as Amitagraha, destroyer of Phocis? Bindusara. With which revolution in India do you associate it? Vasudev Balwant Phalke. With which revolution India associated Vasudev Romosi movement? Which feature of the Indian Constitution is borrowed derived from the Constitution of Ireland? Method of election of president. The Earth Hour, a global environmental event, was initiated by World Wild Fund. The Earth Hour is a global environmental event initiated by World Wild Fund. ISRO has recently announced to launch a satellite RISAT-2 BR-1. What is the name of the launching vehicle which is used to launch this? PSLV-46. PSLV-46. Who is the second Chief Election Commission of India? SKVS Sundaram. What was the basic object of 20-point program initiated by Government of India? What was the basic object of 20-point program initiated by the Government of India? To eradicate poverty and raise the standard of the living. To eradicate poverty and rise standard of living. Where is the headquarter of the ISRETI located? International Crop Research Institute of Semi-Aid Tropic Hyderabad. In which year the Exim Bank, Export-Import Bank established by the Government of India had started its operation 1982? In which state Andhra hydroelectric project is located in Himachal Pradesh? The dance form the Myal is popular in which state of the India? Haryana. The famous Orange River originates in which of the following country? Lesotho. What is the name of the first indigenous built aircraft carrier? INS Vikrant. Scientist from which the university has claimed discovered the Pittsburgh greenhouse gas 700 times more potent carbon dioxide in the year? University of Toronto. What is the full form of UNCTAD? An organization under UNESCO which promote the developed friendly integration of the development country into the world economic. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. The first green helicopter, which is noiseless and emission free, was successfully tested in which country? 2013 Germany. The famous Hornbill Festival is celebrated in Nagaland. The drugs Rosprin is used to treat which of the following disease? High blood pressure. The drugs Rosprin is used to treat high blood pressure. What is the number of facial bone in adult human skull? 40. In which year the International Red Cross Society was founded? In 1863. Which of the plan aimed to improving the standard of living? Fourth plan. In which the mountain range of the Siachen Glacier is located? In Karakoram range. The wavelength range ultraviolet rays 100 to 400 nanometer. First person to receive Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan? Vishwanathan Anand. The class of drugs used to treat for mental stress disorder is called tranquilizer. The folk painting Kalkori is Andhra Pradesh.